Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Samsung's now released the third beta for One UI 6 watch. So we're going to go ahead and install it on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic I have here and take a look and see what we get with the new update. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so Samsung has released the latest One UI 6 watch beta 3. This ends in ZXG3, and this shows major changes and improvements. It has fixed a rebooting issue, improved system stability, improves the consumption of current issue of battery, which I'm really looking forward to, improved application execution performance, and other improvements. There was a known issue with the always-on display does not turn off when watch is not worn. This is 310 megabytes. This has the July 1st security patch, so we're going to go ahead and install this and take a look. Okay, so the watch has been updated and we now are on beta 3. Let's just go ahead and take a look at the tiles real quick here, see if anything's changed. So we've got our activities here. We've got the energy score. Then we've got another tile. We've got the Google Maps. Looks like that's the same with the weather. And then our activity screen here. And then we have our exercise, sleep, blood pressure, alarms, calendar information. Then we've got the battery widget, got some timers, and then we've got the Google Keep that I have installed on here. So let's go ahead and just kind of take a look here. Everything looks about the same. So I think a lot of this is going to be stability and battery improvements, hopefully. As you can see, this thing is super quick. Using that rotating bezel is great. I'm really going to miss that. I just ordered the Galaxy Watch Ultra, which I will be doing a full review on and my first impressions and unboxing once that comes in. So let's go ahead, take a look at the battery. So this was one of the big problems. I just did a video released, I think it actually went out today, and it was about the beta 2 that I was running. The battery life took a major hit. So let's go ahead and look here. So we've got a day and 3 hours at 88%. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and scroll down here and go down to battery usage. And we'll go ahead and select that. And so right now it shows 50 minutes used since full charge. So since 100%. And I'm already, so 50 minutes and I'm at 88%. So we'll have to see how this lasts, but that's not looking too promising. I'm hoping that we'll see some battery improvements with the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. It's getting about 1.5 to 2 days prior to the beta, and this is beta 3, so I'm really hoping that Samsung has fixed that issue. Let's go ahead and take a look on the phone here, and we'll take a look here and see what they've listed. So on here, they've listed major changes and improvements, improved the system stability. So definitely, I'm hoping that they continue to do that. Fix the rebooting issue, which I have not experienced that. So let me know in the comments below if you've experienced any of these issues on your Galaxy Watch 6 that have been fixed. So the rebooting issue, the improved consumption, current use of battery. So yeah, I'd like to hear from you and see if you're having the same issues with your battery as I have been. It has improved application, execution, performance, and then other improvements, which is kind of generic. Then we have issue that the AOD or always on display does not turn off when watch is not worn. I did not experience that, but I'm assuming they mean if you put that on your bedside table or it's sitting on the charger or something like that, that it's not going off. Once again, this is the One UI 6 watch beta version 3. Definitely check it out if you are running the beta, since this is now out for the Galaxy Watch 5 and the 6. I will have a video on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro as well and let you know how that's doing. If you're enjoying the video, please make sure to give us a like, consider subscribing to the channel, and always click the bell notification so you're updated when new videos get uploaded. As always, appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.